back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this look, the Smokey eye look. Y'all, I was so nervous about doing this look because I just felt like, I mean, I never tried it because I just felt like it wouldn't go look good on me. I thought it was gonna look like a raccoon, but baby, it's giving bad. It's giving bad. That's all I gotta say. But y'all, I really wanted to come on here and tell y'all that I'm so sorry for not uploading. It's been a long, I think 3 to 4 weeks, probably a month since I last uploaded. But I just been having a lot going on. The girl been having a lot going on. But I am going to be more consistent. I know I said that in the last video, but I am. Just give me time. But your girl at 94 subscribers, we almost to 100 subscribers already after I think 5 or 6 months of doing YouTube. So yeah. But anyways, if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching.
You don't give me time, you just waste my time. I don't pay no mind, no. You don't give me time, you just waste my time. I don't pay no mind, no. I feel like a connection when you touch my body. I know you are something, and I can't ignore it. Nothing told me if I wanna go to the pitch, but it will be better if the things are better. We got around late in the sun, you by my side. That's what I need. That's what I need. Things are better. We got around to me.